Welcome, today I am with Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV and I'm going to show you how camera pro mode looks in this phone. So to open the pro mode, you have to simply go for the more modes. So this option you will find right here in the right bottom corner when you hold the phone like that in the horizontal orientation. And then you have to switch for the manual mode. As you can see, when you open this mode, you'll find options right here and also right here. So at first, let's focus on this panel. There is the button. With this button, we can hide all of these parameters. To turn them on, just click here on our time. And as you can see, the first option that we can set up, it's focus. You can set it up automatically by tapping right here. Another one is it's the shutter speed. So to turn it on, you can make it like that. Here you can just turn it as a default. Another one option, it's ISO. The last option, the only option that we cannot adjust automatically, it's exposure compensation. We can set it between +2 and -2. The last one, it's the temperature adjustment. We got here a few presets. 1, 2, 3, 4 presets, and also we can simply set it automatically. Right now we can move forward for this panel. Right here we can find camera timer. We can set it up between 3 or 10 seconds. In this place we can adjust camera aspect ratio. Another one option is HDR. By tapping right here we can switch to the selfie camera. In this place we can enable the flashlight. For example, we can enable the red eye reduction, full flash, torch, or set it up automatically. So yeah, that's all for the camera pro mode in the Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.